everybody wants to assume it's only because of ESG that, capital has not been allocated to the space. And while I do believe that's probably the biggest factor, there is a simple reality that, the way that public E&P companies deployed capital from, call it 2012 to 2022, and, plus or minus on that kind of time range, it was a growth mindset and it was a reinvestment rate above 100%. Um, the equity values of those companies did not keep up with the market. And if you were an allocator to that space, like many endowments, you lost money. It was a bad decision, right? In addition to that, we had the big market correction in private equity, kind of because of the kind of US Saudi kind of price war at the end of 2014. A number of endowments backed up the bus at that point in time into a number of energy related P&E. um, Fast forward to 2020, COVID hits, prices go negative, activity drops by 80%. Um, Many of those investments did not pan out. We can also go back to, previous cycles where that happened within the E&F community. So, there's a track record in many cases where the endowment foundation community can point to legacy returns as underperforming, right? And that's a pretty good reason to say, hey, we're not going to allocate to that space going forward.